right, back on the old Studebaker Champ here, pulling the radiator out, and Gary's gonna take it over to Gary at Bob's. So Gary's gonna go see Gary
at Bob's,
and then while Gary's working on this, Gary's working on this Gary's gonna go get breakfast at this little hole in the wall I know over there. Everybody wins. That's called everybody wins. All right. Okay, boys and girls. See those two long ass bolts right there? That one, that, and the one below it. Those are holding the radiator in. You do not need an 1.25 inch long bolt to hold a radiator that's basically flat sheet metal to another piece of flat sheet metal. You need maybe a 3/8 bolt, maybe half inch.
Is that cruddy up?
Is that cruddy down there?
Look at that hole. Look at that. Look at that.
Let me go.
Take a
peek at that. I almost died. Nothing new. Always almost dying.
Take a look at that.
Ooh. Okay. You know what? That's not terrible compared to a lot of stuff. Okay, that's pretty bad. Schmutz.
It's pretty bad.
Schmutz. Let me take a picture because I'll send that to Gary and be like, Gary, you have work to do tomorrow. But okay, so there's that. I'm going to show this Gary pictures of the cougar. He's going to shit. Because that's bad, but not too bad. All right. Radiator's out. All right. Next stop with this, over to Gary.